Are you having trouble with the IELTS writing section? Well, I'm here to help. In this interview, I will ask an IELTS examiner with over 10 years of experience who has marked thousands of essays on how to get those high band scores. To watch the full interview, click the bubble at the top of the screen or tune in to our YouTube channel each week for a new episode. Now watch and learn.
Many students believe that in order to achieve a band 9, while in speaking as well, but focusing on writing, is through the use of idioms. And I've discovered that oftentimes students try to force idioms into their essays. What is your opinion around using idioms in Task 2?
I would say that it's much less important than in speaking, because if you look at professional writers, in an opinion piece in a newspaper, fine, but IELTS Task 2 is geared more towards university essay writing. And in that type of writing, you don't get a lot of idiomatic expressions. You actually get fewer phrasal verbs as well. So they're not bad by any means, but it is often better to be, to use phrasal verbs and idiomatic expressions in the speaking part, but to use more academic words in the writing part, because that's what writing is all about, is like showing your academic ability, expressions to explain a topic well or persuade a reader.
Right, and in my experience, oftentimes essays that include idioms, when they are used incorrectly, make the information in the essay extremely confusing, which really impacts that coherence, cohesion component negatively. And so I also encourage candidates to refrain, meaning stay away from these kinds of idiomatic expressions, and only use them if they are 100% sure that it makes sense in the context and it's suitable for that piece of writing.
And just to follow on that, the areas are connected. No two errors are exactly the same. If you're using that template that we mentioned earlier and it hurts the reader can't understand what your point is, or you've gone off topic, that's going to negatively affect task achievement, coherence and cohesion, as you just said, and it's going to affect the lexical resource or vocabulary, because the lexical resource has to be connected to the topic in order for you to get credit for that. And if it feels like it's off topic, it's negatively affecting all three in a way.
For many more great IELTS videos, as well as original practice exams, a fully interactive course, and an app for your mobile, check out aehelp.com. Begin learning for success today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.